to another What I Eat in a Day video. Today we're making easy at-home meals using simple ingredients, and I'm not just doing this for the video. This is really how I like to cook, and I think it's important to show because I really think there's a misconception when it comes to home cooking, making homemade meals, eating plant-based, vegan food, all of that. I think people think that it has to be really complicated, time-consuming, that you need to have specialty ingredients that are hard to find, and that's just not how I cook. That's not how I've ever cooked, but especially since I've been vegan for about 8.5 years at this point, I've really learned how to simplify things and make really good food that tastes really good, makes me feel good, and uses simple ingredients that I can find at the regular grocery store. So that is what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. We've got a grocery haul and a really fun DIY for St. Patty's Day. I'm calling it shamrock bread, and you really only need about 5 ingredients, but it's really cute and I think that will be fun. So we'll do that together also. I'm gonna do a little bit of kitchen organization too because it's getting pretty cluttered in there. So we're gonna make some adjustments. And I did my meal plan yesterday for the week, so I'm really looking forward to making dinner tonight. So I'll show you that later on in the video. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and get some work done on the computer, and I will see you guys in a little bit. So I just made the bed, and I wanted to thank Helix for teaming up with me on this portion of the video because we've had this mattress now for about a year, and I wanted to give you guys an update because it is so comfortable. It's actually the same mattress that I had back in LA, and I didn't want to part with it when we moved. So we wrapped that mattress up, put it on a moving van, shipped it out here to New Jersey, and that's the mattress that we had when we first moved into this apartment. And we would still have that mattress except for the fact that we just wanted something a little bit bigger. So we gave that mattress to a friend of ours who had just moved to New York City, and this is the king size version of that exact mattress. It's the Helix Midnight Luxe, and Helix makes premium mattresses that are custom to fit your specific sleep needs and sleep preferences, and you can take this really quick 30-second sleep quiz to find the right mattress for you. And I actually really recommend taking it because for me it was very counterintuitive. I thought I wanted a mattress that was fluffy and marshmallowy and super soft and cloud-like, just because in theory I think that sounds really nice. But what I found from taking the quiz is that I actually need a bit more support, and they ask you a number of questions to help you find the perfect mattress for you. This one has a medium feel. It's reinforced on the side, so it has good structure, and it also has this breathable cover that allows airflow throughout the night when you're laying on it, so really helps to maintain a nice temperature, and I don't get too hot or too cold. So it is really, really, really nice to sleep on. It also takes into account that side sleepers sleep on your shoulders and on your hips, and I am always really comfortable when I sleep on this mattress. It's delivered straight to your door, and there's free shipping within the US. It comes all rolled up, and it's really easy to assemble. I'll actually insert some footage of us doing that last year. And all of Helix mattresses come with 100-night sleep trial, so you can sleep on it for 100 nights and make sure that you love it. It also comes with a 10-year warranty, and they have financing options and flexible payment plans. And Helix was kind enough to offer my viewers 20% off and 2 free pillows if you click the link below. So I would definitely take the sleep quiz, check it out, see what kind of mattress is best for you. They have a ton of different options, and if you click the link below, that will get you that 20% off and 2 free pillows. So I hope you guys enjoy that, and thanks so much to Helix for supporting my videos. These cookies are fudge mint cookies from Back to Nature, and whenever I want to boost the protein of a meal, I'll just pair it with a glass of soy milk. It's a really easy way to boost the protein by 8 to 14 grams without having to buy any fancy protein powders. All right, here's our dough. It's been rising for about 2 hours. Looks so good, smells good already. This part used to intimidate me, but it's actually very easy. You're just going to turn the bowl a quarter turn, lift up the dough, and then fold it over. Just repeat that a couple of times for about a minute or so, and that will really help to give the bread a nice structure. So the dough is resting right now, and then later this afternoon we will go ahead and shape it and put on our shamrocks, which are actually made out of green bell peppers, and they kind of look like little shamrocks. You use the side pieces to make stems. It's really cute and it's very easy to do. So we'll do that later on. I'm gonna do some things around the house, kind of tidy up a little bit, and then I really want to get started on some kitchen organization because I do feel like things are getting really cluttered in there. So we'll do that together. I used to get really overambitious when I was organizing, and I would get excited because cleaning one closet or one cabinet felt really good. So then I wanted to move on to another or do a whole nother room. And I ended up having more of a mess than anything else. So I like to keep these organization projects small, stick to just one at a time, even though it is tempting to do everything at once. And that way it's just so much more manageable. One of the best parts about making focaccia is you can change up the toppings every single time you make it, and that will switch up the aesthetic and also the flavor. So today I'm using green bell peppers and some flaky sea salt for St. Patrick's Day, but you could use something like olives or sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, rosemary. There's so many different options. So I recommend getting creative, and you can make a new one for any occasion or any season and come up with combinations that you personally love. That's the best part about cooking at home, is you can make food that is custom to what you like. So I like this one for St. Patty's Day, and I like that the green peppers kind of make it taste like pizza. It's really great when served with soups or salads. I sometimes use this to make sandwiches, and if you have any leftover, you can just slice it up once it's cool, put it in an airtight container and freeze it until you're ready to use, and then just toast it as you need it. Huddled in a corner right now because this is the only place in my apartment that has even semi-decent light. The rain and the clouds is making it very, very patchy light-wise today, so sorry if this is a super dark video, but I am going to go ahead and get started on dinner. It's still a little bit early, but I like to get dinner started before I'm super hungry, because when I'm hungry, I just want to eat right then and there, and I feel like I don't always make as healthy or as fun meals as I possibly could. So I like to do it early, put on a podcast or a show, and also kind of clean up a little bit, so that way the rest of the evening is really nice. We've got a good dinner, the kitchen is pretty much clean, and it's just smooth sailing for the rest of the evening. Cheeto, bright orange because it has turmeric in it, this face mask, but I'm gonna let this sit and then hop in the shower, because one thing about me is I cannot wash my face, especially not wash off a mask, without just totally destroying the bathroom. Like, I just get water absolutely everywhere. I've tried so hard to like keep it very contained and not make a mess, and I just end up with water on the floor, water all over my products and everything. It's just not easy for me to wash my face in the sink. So I'm going to hop in the shower and get ready for bed, and that will be my night. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see some more What I Eat in a Day videos, I'll put them on the screen, and everything I mentioned will be in the description box below. And if you have any questions, you can leave me a comment, because I love chatting with you guys in the comments. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in a video very soon. Bye.